this 2020, then don't forget to put your name, and after that, you have to put the card inside the envelope there.
Oh, so any travel goals? Dapat travel talaga.
Yeah, travel goals. Yeah.
There's so much travel goals. Hey guys, it's me again, Dodong Dave, and you might be wondering why I'm wearing the same shirt from the last vlog. It's because it's the same day. So don't judge me. Baka sabihin nyo na hindi ko nagpapalit ng damit. So right now I'm in Bai Hotel. I'm outside actually, Bai Hotel for Cebu Pacific's Thanksgiving party because there's a lot to be thankful for. Anyways, we'll see you guys upstairs and at the party. Woo! Parks out. What's up, guys? So we're here now at Cebu Pacific Thanksgiving party. Dance with me, Sabi. Me and Sabi are tuning because nag-text kami kagabi. Diba, Sabi? So yeah. See, Sabi and I, we just get each other. So we're gonna go inside the party and be thankful for a lot of things. See you later, Sabi. High five. High 10. Oh yeah. Vlog na sad.
Oh my God,
we have Dana again.
Thank you for
Ikaw
coming.
talaga yung star ng vlogs ko.
Thank you for coming.
Of course.
Yes.
Because I'm always so thankful for Sepak.
Yes.
Kasi so supportive of me all the time. Yeah. As you guys know, Sepak actually sent
Cebu Pacific.
Cebu Pacific actually sent me goodies as I requested nung pag Christmas for my kids in the rehab center.
Yes. It's for a cause.
Yeah, it's for a cause. So they gave out a lot of goodies for the children in the rehabilitation center in Lapu-Lapu City, and we are so thankful for that.
Yes. And then feel free to sit, and then there's a photo wall and the freedom stick. Have to write your goals for the year. Who knows?
I have a lot of goals for
grant
this
your
year.
wish. Go.
See, because Cebu Pacific make moments happen.
Diba? Good. Takay. Yes.
Good segue. I wonder, ano ba yellow, no? Why do you think it's yellow? Do I match the thing? Okay, so before we sit somewhere, let's take a photo on the photo wall. That's what we're supposed to do. Oh, it's our Apollo. Oh my God!
How are you?
Familia!
Alright, any travel goals of yours this 2020, then don't forget to put your name, and after that, you have to put the card inside the envelope there.
Oh, so any travel goals? Dapat travel talaga.
Yeah, travel goals. Yeah.
There's so much travel goals. So, I'm gonna show you guys my travel goal. Ayoko. If I wish about it and then you guys get to see, it's not gonna come true.
Oh my God.
Pero sige na lang. I'll let you guys see because that's how much I love you guys. So, see, travel goal for this year is I'll show you guys. So either nila. And one more thing. Oh yeah. Mars. Let's do a magical juju. Sige, let's do a photo wall. Not a very good model. So, do I do this? Am I doing the photo wall thing right? Tada! Mana ako photo wall. taas, ang photo.
Isa ka.
That question. Oh my God. So, can Cebu Pacific fly me to Mars?
The best person to answer that is Sebi. Sebi, the best defensive person, the best mascot.
To answer that, sabi kayo fly me to Mars.
Baya mag-travel go?
Oh, travel go Mars.
Cebu Pacific.
You know why I want to fly to Mars?
Why?
Because I'm the type of person that's out of this world.
Pwede.
My character wish this year. So while waiting for the program to start, I invite everyone to write down their travel goals for 2020 by placing a card inside the envelope.
Pwede. Plus point sa brand.
Don't forget to finish our word puzzle. Please come up on stage once you're done. And that is a round trip ticket to Davao. We'll give you 2 minutes. Dana's counter says you have, 30 seconds left.
Yatay.
Kapas-pas panahon, basta kinay premium.
Bahala na Davao eh.
Almost done, ladies and gentlemen.
I gave up.
Find those words. The first one to find all of them, please come up. The first one up on stage. If you're already done. 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Sorry, Davao.
3,
I couldn't do it. I can only get yung bokbok palas wreck diving. I get to eat. Is there have a question?
Naunta ninyo.
Does it? I have to speak English.
Oh my God. Let's eat. Kain tayo mga frat.
It's so awkward to adjust.
Okay, pwede mo.
So Isa is she's very bad at Tagalog and she's challenging me.
You'd be surprised, I'm actually not that bad at Tagalog.
Really?
My stepdad's Tagalog. So guys, marunong din ako mag-Tagalog. Minsan, nahihirapan lang ako, depende.
Ako nahihirapan talaga ako sa kalisod.
No, you know what, before when I used to go on dates, like, I would never eat on dates because I was so scared that guys would judge me. Or like, they'd be turned off by the way I would eat. Now I'm just like, I'm married, I don't give a
But like, di ba, when you're dating, you're actually looking for your potential partner. Your potential husband.
I'm just looking for a free meal. I'm just kidding. Oh my God, let me get another dessert.
I really like the lumpia.
What?
Lumpia ba to, sir? Lumpia ba to?
Turon. Gabi kaya ang lumpia. I'm gonna go to the Pocket Hotel, located at Mactan.
Wish granted.
Okay, thank you.
Not a little one. Confident kayo.
Ikaw ko na free stay dito, babe.
Ako sa mga spaho is.
Maghimo, bata ni Paulo. Dito na mag-honeymoon.
Kasi buta na tagtang ang anak siya ang shirt siya made of.
Oh, kana. If you give me a free room and if we are able to conceive a child there, I will name my child Blank Pocket. Blank Pocket. Gandyong. Ana. Pwede ko nung kuya gan ko dessert.
Yes. So you give something, give my viewers entertainment. How would you present?
Deep,
the
Dave, unsa man ni siya?
English trifle? Did I get it right?
Yeah.
English trifle.
I like this.
But you know that's the last thing that I looked at.
Why?
It looks so extra. I'm a minimalist. But it's a food minimalist pa rin. You know, you should... Actually, guys, I already had dessert.
Cake, no? Like, bad kak manners smelling it. Ladies and gentlemen, do not smell when you get it. It's bad manners, but apparently, wako'y greedy. See, like, dili ko pa ko yung tanan mo. Takang tikim na ko.
Si Isa is Isa is what's Tagalog for amor?
Amazing.
Isa is amor.
She's joining.
Oh, joinersing.
She's joining.
Get the turon.
I don't like the road. Okay, I'll get for you. I'll taste it. I'll taste it. So, I'm saying that I can't finish all of this, so I want Dave to get some, and then I know nga makahurt ako. I actually really finish all of this. I'm just pretending to eat like a girl, but I can finish all of this.
Oh, the president of the Philippines is here.
Yes, welcome to my party.
Welcome to my party. He was in my vlog yesterday. From whatever episode that was. And we introduced him as the president of the Philippines.
God.
Because he has so much power.
I know, right? That's
You're looking at power.
Apollo has so much power. This is also...
I know, it looks good. I'll get two, huh?
Use your hands is filthy.
Wala mo na. I was telling them.
Never mind, let's not get that. It's too much carbs. You're not even gonna eat it, so don't get it. Because I'm not gonna eat it anymore.
Is there nangka inside?
And durian.
Never mind.
So if it's banana and durian, can we call it banurian? Banurian. That's a new word. Banurian. Do it. Banurian. Banurian.
I don't agree with the Banorian.
Sinulog sa Cebu. Every third Sunday of January, Cebu celebrates one of the grandest and the biggest festivals in the Philippines. Señor Santo Niño. The image is the baptismal gift of Portuguese conquistador Ferdinand Magellan to Hara Humana. Baptized as Queen Juana, also describes the forward-backward movement of the Sinulog dance. Now,
Okay guys, so that's it for this episode. So that basically wraps up the Thanksgiving party for Cebu Pacific. So if you guys like this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Twitter. That's @DaveKirante. And that's pretty much it. If wala pa ka naka-ring sa bell, ding ding ding, ring that bell. So see you guys on the next episode. Once again, this is Dodong Dave signing out. See ya!